Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to have two topics. The first one is formulating the rule in finding the next term in a sequence. Let's define some terms first. What is a number sequence? It is a list of numbers in which successive terms follow a rule of pattern. How about a term? It is each number in the sequence. So, bawat number sa isang given sequence, ang tawag natin doon na ay term. By studying the sequence of numbers, we can find the rule governing the terms. The rule can tell us what number will come next in the sequence. In this lesson, you will formulate rule in finding the next term in a sequence. Let us explore the process. Look for the pattern in the sequence of the numbers. Here is the number sequence: 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and 21. Can you see any pattern here? Looking at the pattern of the numbers, to find the second term, add 2. For the third term, add 3. For the fourth term, add 4. For the fifth term, add 5. And for the sixth term, add 6. Therefore, the rule in the sequence is plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, and plus 6. Next, look for the rule and find the next three terms of the sequence. So here's the number sequence: 3, 6, 12, 24, and then we're going to find the next three terms. Can you identify the rule here? Okay, very good. So to find the next term, we're going to multiply by 2. So now, mahahanap na natin yung next three terms. Now here's the solution. The rule is multiply by 2 or times 2. So our first term is 3. To get the second term, we're going to multiply 3 by 2. So 3 times 2 equals 6. For the third term, 6 times 2 equals 12. And the third term is 12 times 2 equals 24. So, ito yung mga given na natin na term dun sa ating number sequence. Now, to find the next three terms, let's just continue the process. So, i-multiply lang natin by 2 yung last term na given. So, for the fourth term, we have 24 times 2, which is equal to 48. Next is 48 times 2 equals 96. And lastly, 96 times 2 equals 192. Therefore, the next three terms of the sequence are 48, 96, and 192. Now, the given number sequence will be 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96, and 192. Next, let us find the missing term and the rule used in the situation below. The given sequence is 1, 3, 7, 15, and what's the next term? Can you find the pattern or rule used? What is the next term in the sequence? The rule is multiply by 2 and add 1, or times 2 plus 1. Our first term is 1. Now to get the second term, we're going to multiply it by 2 and then we're going to add it by 1. So for the second term, we have 1 times 2 plus 1 equals 3. So that's why the second term is 3. For the third term, 3 times 2 plus 1 equals 7. The fourth term, 7 times 2 plus 1 equals 15. Now what do you think will be the next term? So let's just continue the process. We have, for the fifth term, 15 times 2 plus 1 equals 31. So the sequence will be 1, 3, 7, 15, and the next term will be 31. Therefore, the pattern or rule used in the sequence was times 2 plus 1, or it could also be plus 2, plus 4, plus 8, plus 16. Now let's move on the second topic for today, which is using different strategies, looking for a pattern, working backwards, etc. to solve for the unknown in simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fraction. There is no simple way for solving a problem unlike exercises. We can get better at solving problems by building up our background knowledge and by simply practicing. As we solve more problems, we learn strategies that can be useful. In this lesson, you will use different strategies to solve for the unknown in simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fraction. Now let us read and analyze the given problem. Gatid Elementary School won a contest and gets to send 10 students to trip in Enchanted Kingdom. All interested students were assigned numbers, and the principal has started reading off the numbers for the students who will attend. The numbers are 12, 27, 42, 57, and so on. Jairus realizes there is a pattern to these numbers. She has number 82 and wonders if she will be chosen to go on the trip this time. You should first notice that this is an ascending pattern, so the rule likely involves multiplication or addition. Look at the numbers at the beginning of the sequence. Think, what could you do to 12 to get 27? For the first option, you could add 15 because 12 plus 15 equals 27. Or, you could multiply by a mixed number. 12 times 2 and 1/4 equals 27. So, pwede rin maging option yon. Or, you could also do a combination of 2 or more operations. So, for example, you can use multiplication and addition. 12 times 2 is 24 plus 3, you will get 27. Next, check if any of these potential pattern rules work with the rest of the sequence. Consider 27 and 42. If you add 15 to 27, you will get 42. So the pattern rule add 15 seems to work. Now, make sure add 15 works throughout the whole sequence. So if we're going to follow add 15 rule to the sequence, the terms will be 12, 27, 42, 57, 72, 87, 102, 117, 132, and 147. Therefore, the rule add 15 is the pattern for this sequence. So, 82 will not be chosen, so Jairus won't be going on the trip this time. Is everything clear now? Okay, very good. Now, get a piece of paper and a pen for your assessments. Are you ready? Okay, good luck!
Entertainment. York City. York City.
What is your score? Okay, great job, kids. Very good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and share. At para updated din kayo sa mga bagong uploads namin, please subscribe this channel. You could also like our Facebook page, that's iLearn Tutorials, and please do follow us on our Instagram and Twitter account, that's iLearn Tutorials as well. Okay, see you out on our next lesson. Goodbye!